Hey guys, Tech Mitchell with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset and delete everything on your iPhone 10 on the latest iOS version. Now this process has changed slightly since the menu has changed on the previous generation that initially was rolled out. So if you're on the latest iOS version for the iPhone 10, which is iOS 16, which is the latest version you can get, you're going to follow these steps to wipe everything out. This is something you would do if you were selling your phone, giving it away, trading it in. Basically, you want to remove everything that was ever on your phone that is linked to it. But before you do a factory reset, it's very, very important that you back up your data. If you want to keep a copy through iCloud backup using your iCloud account, or on your computer using iTunes. If you don't know how to do that, we'll leave some link for you in the description or the comment section. You can check those videos out, but make sure you back up if you are thinking about restoring it on another device, because once you do a factory reset, everything on this phone will be removed. So to start a factory reset, first thing we do is go into our setting of our iPhone and scroll down to General, and then go all the way down here where it says Transfer Reset iPhone. We click on that, and then there's an option to erase all content and setting. We click on that, and now it will show you what's being erased on your iPhone, things like apps and data, your iCloud or Apple ID account if you have one, and any passcode as well will get removed. And if you have an eSIM card that you're using, it will also get removed if you want to delete that. And after that, you'll hit continue here. Once you hit continue, either it will prompt you first for your passcode or your Apple ID if you're signed in to verify that it's your account, because you'll need to remove the Apple ID account during this process. And once you have done that, you'll click on erase iPhone. Again, keep in mind, make sure you back up before doing this if you want to keep a copy, because once we do that, there's no way to turn back unless you have a copy. And now it will begin the process of factory resetting and erasing everything on our iPhone. As you can see here, the Apple logo will flash a few times during this process. And one thing I recommend is you want to see this process through, which will show you until you get to the main hello screen, or the screen that will show for a new setup. And make sure your phone is charged up during this process. If the phone dies, the process will not complete successfully. So it's important that your phone is charged up. I recommend at least 50% or more charge, or connected to a charger during this process. As you can see here, I'm seeing the Apple logo flash a few times with the loading menu, which is completely fine. Just let it do its thing. We're just going to keep on letting it go through the screen and show you in real time when we get to that hello screen. And the less data you have, the quicker this process will be. Sometimes it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for this process to complete, sometimes a little bit longer. Again, depends on how much data needs to get removed on this iPhone. So as you can see here, it's going through the process here. We're waiting, and we'll just wait it out till we get to that hello screen, which will indicate to us that the phone has successfully been erased or factory reset. And again, like I mentioned, this process deletes everything on your iPhone, and it's safe to go ahead and trade it in, sell it, or give it to someone, and they can set it up like a new phone without having any of your personal information on it, because it's been wiped out. So we'll wait till we get to that hello screen here. And this is in real time. I'm not editing any of this part of the video out. So if you're thinking how long it's going to take, as you see, you do have to be a little patient. And we see the Apple logo. And finally, we get to this hello screen, which is the indicator we have successfully factory reset our iPhone. And if I open up the menu, as you can see here, it gives me the menu to select the language, country, just like how you would set up when you get the new iPhone. And someone who wants to set it up, they can go ahead and set their phone up. But that's how you factory reset your iPhone 10. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.